Did you guys know that your nutrition affects your immune system? Wait, what? Yeah, the two are related. Let's quickly talk about our immune system and nutrition and how they interact with one another. First of all, let's talk about immune system, in particular, the white blood cells. There's 5 different kinds of white blood cells that we have in our body, but the main one is called the natural killer cell. Well, they refer to it as the NK1 cell. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this funny looking cell, they call it the killer cell. Yeah, that's right, it's the killer cell. These are the cells that ward off any bacteria, infection, any parasite that we might have in our body. As a matter of fact, it actually can detect those dormant cancer cells that we have roaming around in our system. So, what are some of the things that can hinder our production of the natural killer cell? 1, smoking. Studies have shown that smoking decreases the amount of natural killer cells our body makes. 2, lack of sleep. You need a good solid 6 to 8 hours a night. It's at rest is when the body produces those wonderful killer cells. 3, constipation. Yes, we want to get rid of those toxins in our body. So the idea is to increase our fiber. Number 4, blood sugar balance and insulin production in our body. Number 5, these crazy high-fat diets that we see going on. So here's an interesting fact. Did you know that the average lifespan of the natural killer cell is anywhere from 13 to 20 days in our bodies? That's right, 13 to 20 days. So every 13 to 20 days, our body is making new natural killer cells and getting rid of the old ones. Okay, now for the good news. Our immune system responds subtly to any nutrition changes that we make in our bodies. Yes, so every little change that we make, if we really focus on good nutrition, the immune system responds well and produces a lot of those natural killer cells, which is what we want. So what are some of the things in our nutrition that we can really focus on and make sure that we are intaking on a daily basis? So here's the list. 1, good fats, essential fatty acids that we get maybe from salmon, sardines, and anchovies. Another good thing is iron we find in our red meats, zinc, vitamins A, B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, another important vitamin. Curcurium, I'm sure you guys have heard of that. Curcurium is found in turmeric and all of those wonderful spices that we enjoy in our curry dishes. Rosemary, antioxidants is a great one as well. And don't forget those pre and probiotics. So essentially we can see that optimal immunity requires optimal nutrition. So in conclusion, ditch the processed foods. Ditch junk food. Eat clean, whole foods. Eat the colors of the rainbow. That way you will give your body the right energy that it needs, but also the right nutrients to sustain and build a healthier immune system.